It all begins with silicon, one of the most abundant elements on Earth. But inside this factory, silicon must be purified to an almost perfect level. The purified silicon is melted and slowly formed into a massive cylindrical crystal known as an ingot. The ingot is then sliced into ultra-thin discs called wafers. Each wafer will eventually contain hundreds of microchips. Each wafer is polished until its surface becomes perfectly smooth, almost like a mirror. Using an advanced process called photolithography, ultraviolet light is used to print microscopic circuit patterns onto the wafer. Chemical etching removes unwanted material, leaving behind billions of tiny transistor patterns. At this stage, ions are implanted into the wafer to change its electrical properties, forming the foundation of transistors. Multiple ultra-thin layers of materials are deposited onto the wafer, building the microchip layer by layer. Modern processors contain billions of transistors, each one smaller than a human hair. Before cutting, each wafer is tested using automated probes to identify working and defective chips. The wafer is carefully sliced into individual microchips in a process known as dicing. Each chip is packaged inside a protective casing and connected to tiny metal pins for installation in electronic devices. Finally, every processor undergoes performance testing before being shipped worldwide, powering the technology we use every day.